Dubai, a city that didn't just rise from the desert, it defied it. Where once there was endless sand, now stand glass towers that pierce the sky. The city glitters at night, shimmering like a crown made of gold and ambition. But beyond the skyscrapers and supercars lies a hidden world, a world where children are born not with silver spoons, but with diamond pacifiers. They don't dream of wealth, they inherit it. From private jets to pet tigers, from mansions bigger than palaces to birthday parties that cost more than Hollywood films, this is not fantasy. This is real life for Dubai's richest kids. Before we take you into this unbelievable world, make sure to hit subscribe, because what you're about to see is the definition of modern royalty. 1. Born into opulence. Imagine taking your first steps on marble floors imported from Italy, or learning to walk beside a Lamborghini. For Dubai's richest kids, luxury begins at birth. Their nurseries are designed by interior decorators from Paris. Their baby bottles are gold-plated. Their first toys? Remote-controlled Bentleys. Birthdays here aren't small family affairs, they're grand productions. Imported flowers from Holland, entertainment from London, fireworks that light up the entire neighborhood, and gift bags that include designer watches or iPads. By the time they're 5, they've already seen more of the world than most adults. Family vacations mean private islands in the Maldives or ski trips in Switzerland. Always flying private, of course. This is not childhood as we know it. It's an introduction to a world where luxury isn't the exception, it's the standard. 2. Palaces in the sky. To understand these children, you must first see where they live. Welcome to Emirates Hills, known as the Beverly Hills of Dubai. It's home to multi-million-dollar mansions with private cinemas, marble staircases, and entire wings dedicated to wardrobes. A single chandelier could cost $500,000, and it's not unusual to find gold-plated bathroom fixtures or swimming pools shaped like family initials. Step outside, and the garage might hold a Bugatti, a Rolls-Royce, and a limited edition Ferrari. Sometimes all owned by a teenager still waiting for their license. Some families live in Palm Jumeirah, Dubai's famous palm-shaped island, where every home overlooks the turquoise Arabian Gulf. Each villa has its own private beach, infinity pool, and a dock for yachts that cost as much as small aircraft. In these homes, technology meets extravagance. Voice-controlled lighting, AI security systems, automatic scent diffusers, and elevators made of glass. It's comfort on another level, one where even the air feels expensive. 3. The schools of tomorrow. Education, too, mirrors their lifestyle. Forget crowded classrooms. Dubai's richest kids attend elite academies where tuition can reach $40,000 a year. Schools like GEMS World Academy or Swiss International Scientific School offer everything from robotics labs to Olympic-sized pools. The students learn French, Arabic, English, Mandarin, and sometimes even coding before they turn 10. Trips abroad are common. One week it's a study program in Switzerland, the next it's an environmental project in Kenya. These schools prepare them not just for exams, but for leadership, grooming them to inherit family businesses worth billions. They learn negotiation, etiquette, finance, and international law, because one day they'll be sitting in boardrooms, not classrooms. Even their extracurriculars reflect prestige: horseback riding, fencing, polo, or yacht sailing. In every sense, they're being raised not just as children, but as future CEOs, influencers, and visionaries. 4. Luxury as a lifestyle. When the weekend arrives, the real fun begins. For these kids, hanging out means jet skiing off the coast of Jumeirah or attending exclusive events in the Burj Al Arab. Some drive gold-wrapped Lamborghinis, others ride in chauffeured Rolls-Royces. A normal birthday. Not here. Imagine Kylie Jenner. Level parties with live performances, drone shows, and dessert buffets featuring edible gold. Shopping isn't about discounts, it's about exclusivity. They shop on the Dubai Mall's Fashion Avenue, home to Dior, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. Personal shoppers know their sizes by heart. New season collections arrive before they even hit shelves elsewhere. Their social media presence is another layer of their identity. Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, platforms where their lives shine like digital fairy tales. You'll see them posing beside supercars, sipping mocktails on yachts, or walking through private jets as though it's a routine commute. These posts inspire millions, but behind the filters, there's more than what meets the eye. 5. The weight of expectations. With all the glamour comes the pressure. Being born into extreme wealth means living under constant expectations. They carry the family name, and with it, the family legacy. From an early age, they're told, "You are the future of our empire." Their choices, what they study, who they marry, how they behave, are watched closely by society. One misstep could damage the reputation of an entire dynasty. And while their lives look picture perfect, many struggle with loneliness. They can have everything money buys, except the feeling of being understood. Social media, while glamorous, amplifies comparison and competition. In a world where everyone seems perfect, being authentic becomes the hardest thing to achieve. 6. The rise of the next generation. But Dubai's new generation of wealthy youth isn't just living off inheritance, they're rewriting what it means to be rich. Take Rashid Belhassa, known globally as Money Kicks. Born into a billionaire family, Rashid turned his sneaker passion into a global brand. He collaborated with celebrities, built a YouTube empire, and became one of Dubai's youngest entrepreneurs. Others have followed the same path, creating fashion labels, launching digital startups, and investing in tech. They want to build their own legacy, not just inherit one. Some are even turning toward philanthropy, funding schools in Africa, supporting clean water projects, or promoting animal welfare. This shift signals something powerful, a generation using privilege for purpose. They still live lavishly, but they also understand that influence can shape the future. 7. The hidden cost of perfection. Yet even paradise has its shadows. When wealth is inherited, identity can become blurred. Who are you when everything is already given to you? Some of Dubai's richest kids admit feeling trapped, caught between immense privilege and the fear of never being enough without it. They want to create meaning, to prove they're more than the luxury they're born into. This realization is pushing many toward creativity, entrepreneurship, and personal growth, not out of necessity, but desire. Because in a city that built everything from nothing, they too want to build something of their own. 8. The legacy of tomorrow. Dubai itself is still young, barely half a century old, but its ambitions stretch far into the future. And so do its heirs. The children of today's billionaires are not just inheriting wealth, they're inheriting Dubai's global dream, to be the center of innovation, tourism, and luxury. They will one day run empires that define industries, from technology and finance to real estate and sustainability. But more importantly, they'll shape the image of the Middle East in the modern world. Because behind every Lamborghini and glittering skyline lies something deeper, a generation raised not just to enjoy privilege, but to protect it, expand it, and redefine what success truly means. Dubai is more than a city, it's a vision carved into the desert, a symbol of limitless ambition. And the richest kids of Dubai. They are its reflection, bold, ambitious, and unstoppable. But in their story lies a truth for us all. Luxury may dazzle the eyes, but legacy is what lasts forever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Dubai's elite, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us next time as we explore more hidden stories behind wealth, power, and the modern world.